Check out this dope turning transition I found on Instagram. Here's how to do it with your phone for free. Let's go. Film yourself spinning away, then only the room, and then spinning into the picture with another outfit. Open these clips in the CapCut app, first the room, then spinning out, then spinning in. Select the spinning away clip, hit overlay, and drag it underneath the room clip. Now we want to remove the background for that clip. Scroll over to cutout, remove background, and the background is removed. Now for the spinning in clip, the same thing, we want to select it and then hit overlay and drag it all the way down under both clips. And again, remove the background for this clip too. Now scroll right to the point when you're spinning away and the backpack is showing and place that second clip there. Make a copy of this second clip and drag it all the way down so there's space in between. Now take the first clip and put it in between. This way that second outfit will start behind and end in front of the first outfit. You can see it right there. Now to make this look even better, create a keyframe for the middle clip and pull it to the right so it disappears behind the second outfit. Now just export the clip and that's it.